I'm back with another short video. I guess some controller housings, front, back. A couple of them have everything: buttons, triggers. This one's PS5. It's a gold one. This was $5. AliExpress. This one doesn't come with anything, only the front and the back. This one, this is the Xbox Series X version of the PS5 Spider-Man 2 limited edition controller. This was $12. It's got the front, the back. It's got the back grips. It's got the bumpers, the triggers, the battery cover, thumbsticks. I mean, it has every single thing in it. All the buttons. This one was $12. It was also AliExpress. And this last one right here. This one's PS5. This is also complete. Comes with battery. I meant the I don't know what that is. It's got the triggers, thumbsticks, everything. These look pretty good. I've gotten these a couple times. This was like $14.88 for the whole set. They're made pretty good. Thank you for watching.